I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a teriyaki pasta salad. It is a pasta salad with Asian noodles and then an Asian sauce, and then I'm going to put some chopped vegetables and some sesame seeds on top. Now I've used udon noodles. They're a traditional Japanese noodle. They're kind of a thick noodle and they hold up really nicely. I've cooked them ahead of time and toss them with just a little bit of oil to keep them from sticking together. I'm going to make a very simple teriyaki sauce. I have some soy sauce. I'm going to add some rice vinegar, about 2 parts soy sauce to 1 part rice vinegar, and then just a little bit of sugar to balance out the vinegar. And I'm going to use tongs to mix that in with the pasta. So you want it to kind of marinate. And then I'm just going to top it. I have some chopped green onions. And then I have some chopped red bell pepper. And I have some black sesame seeds, which give it flavor as well as texture. And there you have a teriyaki pasta salad.